Alright, sorry about that. I had to put the camera down. But I'm going to show you step by step of what I'm talking about. Okay. First, we got these Kroger grill. Here we go. We got this Kroger, told you, I guess, right? Grilled thyme pork rub and seasoning. It's alright. I like it. It don't hurt. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to sprinkle them bitches like this. Heavily is good. Don't be scared. Then, what we gotta do, let me fix the camera a little bit. Sorry. I know, I'm new at this. Excuse me. Alright. I think that'll be alright. Let's do that. Don't touch it, watch out. Okay. You gotta make sure your hands are extra dirty when you do this. Just kidding. Make sure you clean your hands when you do this. Just clean fresh hands.
Yeah.
Alright.
My dad's just being doofy.
I just like doing one side. I don't really like doing both sides. So, just push it in there, you know. Nice and firm. Don't be scared. Go ahead and drop it down in there, you know, Mama. Drop it down in there. Let's do that. A little bit of that.
Okay. And it's okay to grab little tongs, put it on the grill, and that's safe.
That's safe too?
Yep.
Yep. That's safe too.
Your hands.
You heard it here first. Let's do it.
You have to get big to do this, right?
Huh?
You have to get so big to do this, right?
Yep.
That's what
Okay, let's check this out. Right, here we go.
Okay.
Nice seasoned. Sorry for that camera angle. I don't know about nothing. Let's check this out. Okay, we get this bad boy right here. Just like that. There we go. It's a nice medium heat. You don't want to go too full blast on these. They'll get dry fast. So take your time with them. There's the pork chop. Yeah, I could have did a little better with the seasoning, but I didn't want to get on both sides. You know what I mean?
Can we introduce them to the cherry plant?
So let's go throw this bad boy away. There you go.
I want to go show them the cherry plant.
You want to go show the cherry plant? Okay, let's go see the cherry plant.
The mosquito.
Go introduce the cherry plant. What do you want to name the cherry plant?
Cherry.
Okay, cherry plant. There you go. Say goodbye. See you guys later.
Bye.
Look at me. Say what?